Welcome back. Tuesday is here, and so is our favorite segment. From confusing blueprints to budget breakdowns, the experts from H1 Construction are here to make sense of it all. It's time to Ask the Contractor.
We welcome back the team from H1 Construction. This is Lucas Stensland. He's our general contractor and owner, along with his right-hand man, Jozef Pikula, who is our construction manager. And today, guys, we're going to talk a little bit about change orders. What are they and why do they happen? Now, Jozef, Erlene on Maui is asking, what exactly counts as a change order? And is that automatically a bad thing?
Anything that is outside of the original scope of work. So it's not a bad thing, it's not a good thing. Is anything in between. So you have a multitude of situations where a change order can happen. Unforeseen things, changes of homeowner to the project.
Oh, has that
overall?
happened?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, wow.
A homeowner come, they want to move the window. Okay, it's not installed per plans, it's exactly in the location where it's supposed to be. They don't like it, they want to move it. That will be a change order. So those are the two most driven aspects of change orders. Unforeseen things and a homeowner-driven change orders.
Got it. And a change order is actually something that happens after construction has started. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Got you. And Lucas, what are some of the typical reasons change orders happen on a project, outside of the things that Jozef mentioned?
Yeah, it's a good segue into it, but you know, like we always have a rock clause, right? Before we dig, we have a rock clause in there saying in case we run into things. So we always try to make the homeowner aware. Change orders has really gotten a bad name over the past, so we try and call them scope modifications.
Scope modifications.
Sounds a little bit
I like that fix.
Less of an attack.
Yes.
But like Jozef said, it's just about moving a couple things here and there. This is why we actually meet the client every 2 weeks on site to do our OAC meetings, to almost eliminate these, right? So catching a change order or a scope modification before, like Jozef used a good example of moving a window left to right. If the electrical's in the wall, the plumbing's in the wall, and the drywall is on there, that's a very expensive change.
Yep.
But if we catch it while it's just framed, boom, we can move that, sometimes at no cost, right? As a contractor, we don't want to see the change orders or scope modifications as much as they do. All they do is slow down the process, because the milestone of a completion date does not change because there's a change order. That milestone still is there. So it's just about clear communication.
Got it. And again, so you folks are meeting with clients every 2 weeks?
Yep.
Correct.
To make sure that everything is on track.
Correct.
Yeah?
It's actually every week, because I'll go out there with my videographer and we go every other Friday and we do Friday update videos for the clients. We tell them what's going on, what happened the previous week, and what's coming up in the next week.
That saves them some time. They don't have to come out every single week.
Every single week.
Got it.
The more involved the client is, the less scope modifications you're going to see. It just saves time and money.
Got it. So while change orders or scope modifications are not primarily a bad thing, Jozef, we do want to avoid them, right, if we can. What steps can a homeowner, because we already know what it is that you guys can do, what steps can a homeowner take early to reduce the likelihood of these things?
Make sure they do their due diligence, the homework. Understanding the project design, understanding the materials they already pre-selected and happy with. Because if middle of the project we have a appliance package selected, and now homeowner's wife, in this case, or husband, say, no, I want a different package.
Right there.
Good save.
Absolutely, I have to be fair across the board. Now they're like, no, we want to go with this package that's cost $15,000 more. Well, that's going to cost more, and it's going to delay the project, as Luke mentioned, because now we have to reorder package. So due diligence and understanding the project design and stick with what you selected up front will assure more smoother process, less change orders throughout the project.
And of course, keeping that open communication,
Absolutely.
Right?
I taught him due diligence.
You did.
Yes.
That's a big word.
No, he didn't.
Big word. No, he didn't. Well, we love the fact that you guys do your due diligence. Homeowners can do the same, and then that way the project works and moves smoothly through, right?
100%.
That's what we're looking for. We want to say a very big mahalo to our crew from H1 Construction. Ask the Contractor. This is your opportunity, family. Ask them the questions that you have burning in you, and Lucas and Jozef can go ahead and answer them for you. Ask the Contractor.
Too much.
I tell you.
They're experts.
They're experts, but they're also best friends.
They're kolohe, I tell you, good fun. If you got questions, don't forget to send them our way so we can get you those answers in next week's segment of Ask the Contractor. We'll be back with more Island Life Live.
Stop touching my ear.
Well, we besties.
Stop it.